Hi everybody, back again. Tonight I have a couple of surprises. Number one, it's not cooking. This is something like a dessert thing, which I don't normally do. My sister's here for a visit. Say hi.
Hi. Hi everyone.
And what we usually do, we make these things called Pizzelles. And you need a machine to make them. But I thought you'd get a kick out of us doing it. Now my sister, she makes for her family, she makes them with vanilla extract. I prefer them with the anise and the anise seeds. So she did hers today, and we're going to do mine now, and I'm going to show you. I already measured the ingredients out, and I'll tell you what they are, okay? There's 3 eggs in here and 3/4 cup of sugar. We're going to beat that. Then we're going to put a half a stick of butter melted with a brush, because we're going to brush our appliance as we do them. In the dry ingredients, you have 1 3/4 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of Anzette, and I just sprinkle some anise seeds in it. So my grandson Jonas is going to come and get my beater. Thank you, honey. And we're going to beat the eggs and sugar until they're liquid, that everything's together. And then we're going to put it in the dry ingredients. And we'll get back to you and I'll show you what it looks like.
We are incorporating the sugar. The sugar is being incorporated.
Go to the sides, I'll hold it for you.
Go to the sides. Go to the sides.
Anthony, don't let me smack you today.
You got to catch me first.
Okay, guys, I mixed that. Well, my grandson mixed everything together, I should say. He's got a better hand. He's stronger than I am. And this is the consistency. It's more or less, how can I explain it? It's very liquidy. Okay, it's not a dry batter. So I'm going to start doing that. Sometimes they come out the first one and we have no problem. So I'm going to try a couple and I'll let you see how it comes out, okay? Okay, guys, I got everything. I'm to the point where I'm going to start the pizzelles. Here's the margarine and the butter that I'm going to lubricate the machine, okay? And like I said, don't get overwhelmed if they don't come out right the first time. It's a trial and error. It's something trial and error. You'll get it. If I can get it, you can get it. And it says a teaspoon. So that's what I'm trying to do. And then it's going to stay 90 seconds. When the light goes out, hopefully they'll be done. Okay? If not, my grandson's going to eat all the rejects.
Would you say that's a heaping teaspoon?
It said a heaping teaspoon, didn't it, on the recipe, Jonas?
Yep.
Yeah. When the light goes out, I mean, other machines, I don't know. This machine is, I would say, about 35, 40 years old that I have it. I don't know what they have now. I know they have newer models. Price range, I happened to get this on clearance about 35 years ago. But I would assume now they're about $40, $45. If you like things like this, you can also mix that with chocolate. There's a lot of different variations. You can put ice cream and make layers on that. You can take it out as soon as it's soft and make a cone. There's a lot of things you can do with them. They're very versatile. Okay, the light went out. Wow, these look pretty good for the first time. I finally looked at a recipe. Very good. And also, which my sister let me know today, because you always have to listen to other people sometimes. My sister said if you put them one on top of the other, they're not going to get crooked. So that's what I did.
Flat. You gotta put them flat.
Put them flat. All the years I have this, my son finally informed me, if the light goes out, Mom, that means it's done. I only waited about 35 years to see that. Like I said, I don't like doing things like this.
The light's out already.
The light's out already?
But that was at 90 seconds, was it?
I don't think so.
Do you have to wait for the light to go back on again before
Maybe.
So maybe that messed up. Now the light's on. So now you probably have to wait for it to
So
go
now I
off
have
again.
to wait 90 seconds.
Yeah. So you have to probably wait for the light to go back on, then put your stuff on, and then wait for it to go off.
Okay.
Hey, you're learning.
I only have this 40 years. I should know it by now.
This whole thing is a bloopers reel today.
Yes, it is a bloopers reel.
It's fine. Good enough for a Thursday.
I never knew that the light had to go out.
Neither did I.
See, now I'm worried that because it turned on, it won't turn back off again. I
I
don't know.
think you should take it off and see what's happening there. Are they
No.
not done? All
If
right.
they don't fall off, then they're not done, right?
Yeah.
The smell, you smell the unzet?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I've been making them. My sisters are done. I'm doing mine. My grandson seems to be eating them as I'm making them. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you try to do them. Like I said, if you get a maker, you can do it. You know, you can do the same thing. And there's so many variations you can do with these. We happen to like them. Please subscribe to my channel. Here's my sister saying goodbye.
Goodbye to everyone and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.